Hello guys, use smartphone Doogee X96 Pro. This version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Open box with completion. In completion we have device in the black color, documentary, micro USB cable and adapter for charging. This all completion. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, fingerprint scanner, quad camera and LED. On the front side, display 6.5 inch. On this side, power key, one keys. On this side, without controls. Upside, headphones jack. Downside, micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Under back cover, we have two slots for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, turn on device. Open settings. Android version 11 we have. Open Geekbench 5 to look results tests and talk about system information. We have Spectrum SC9766, GPU PowerVR G8322, look results, single core test and multi-core test, GPU test results, and look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Close this and run them again. GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Yep. PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.